Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on that video as always. And we are back with another rack store haul. This time I was able to find a couple niche fragrances at TJ Maxx. Now I've been seeing these pop up here and there and at Marshall's, at TJ Maxx. So these are out there. If you guys are hitting rack stores, make sure that you are looking in both the men's section of fragrance and the women's section of fragrance, because these two fragrances that we're talking about today are, I guess, marketed as unisex. So they could go either way. Men or women could be wearing this. So I will give you my opinion on that, what I get from it. I'm going to try it on strip really quickly. Then I'm going to try them both on skin, let you guys know what I think. The two fragrances that we are talking about today are both from Commodity. And some of you guys I know really enjoy Commodity. It's a niche brand. And we have Commodity Bergamot, which I've wanted to try for a while now. And Commodity Vetiver. I'm gonna bust these open and let you guys know what I think of them. As you guys can see from the start of this video, I was able to grab both of these for $34.99. They are 100 ml presentations with an eau de parfum concentration. I really like the bottles. I think the bottles are really simplistic. They're really heavy duty, heavy cap, so they don't cheapen out on the packaging. It's really nice. You have Commodity on the side there. And just a simple sticker, which I can really appreciate. Sometimes I just like the simplicity of a presentation like this. Let's check that atomizer. Okay, atomizer. In the air, I'm picking up that vetiver immediately. So we're looking at vetiver first. I'm getting definitely a lot of white floral. Not what I was expecting. I was expecting sort of, I guess, a woody, smoky vetiver to start off. And some of that is starting to come through. However, I am getting a lot of that white floral. Not really much citrus, mainly that white floral and some woodiness. I'm gonna put this on skin and see what I get. All right, so right off the top, I'm getting an alcohol blast from this. So I'm gonna let that chill for a second. So I am getting some of the smoky vetiver. It's a little more apparent off of skin, but more than anything, dominating the scent is white florals. I'm not exactly sure what white floral. It could be something like a jasmine, but it's very upfront and sort of a main focal point of the scent. I am getting, again, some woodiness. It's a bit creamy. It's possibly a cedar, but it is definitely, I would say this leans more feminine than masculine or unisex even. Not that a guy couldn't wear this, but it is not what I was expecting. I'm gonna let this chill out really quickly. I'll read the notes for vetiver, and then I'm gonna open up bergamot and try that. So the notes for Commodity Vetiver, top notes are blackberry, apple, and Petalia. Mid notes are jasmine, jasmine sambac. Base notes are Haitian vetiver, Australian sandalwood, Indonesian patchouli, and cedar. Let me get bergamot open, try that, let this settle down a bit, and go from there. So much like vetiver, same presentation, has this same gray sticker for bergamot Commodity on the back. So let's try this atomizer and see what we get. Same atomizer. Okay, so that is citrusy. Really citrusy in the air. Really refreshing. Okay, so this is really nice up top, really bright citrus, a little bit sweet. There's an herbal quality to this. I'm getting a scent, like a little bit of greenness. I would imagine this to be a fantastic spring scent right off the top. Really refreshing, nice scent. I'm gonna get this right on skin and see what changes. Wow. Okay, so one thing to note is I didn't get that alcohol blast that I got from the vetiver. This is really sort of photorealistic. I'm getting a ton of that beautiful citrus up top. It's coming across as maybe like an mandarin orange blended with almost like a mint. So it's like a muddled, leafy mint, and it smells amazing. I'm very surprised by this. This is one of the better mint fragrances that I've smelled from the opening. Now, I would be very curious to see how this performs and how long that mint sticks around. So often, mint seems to be that it's a very volatile note in fragrance, doesn't last very long, doesn't stick around, but that mint really stands out and it's lovely. Let me take a look at the notes for Commodity's bergamot and see if I hit any of them. Bergamot from Commodity. Top notes are bergamot, clementine, and green mandarin. Mid notes are mint, jasmine sambac, and African geranium. And the base notes are vetiver, violet leaf, musk, and patchouli. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that green mint in here. It's amazing. It is settling down a bit, but it's still there. It still smells a very authentic leafy green. Funny enough, this is almost reminding me a bit of like a better version of Banana Republic's Black Walnut Legend. So if you guys have smelled that fragrance, they're very similar in how they're constructed, but this has more of a pronounced green mint note, obviously, which I really like. Let me try the vetiver again. Okay, so the vetiver is changing. It's a little bit more smoky, much more patchouli coming through to my nose. More woody. This is less white florals now, so it's settling down a bit. To be honest, I'm not crazy about vetiver. It's not anything that I can see myself wearing. I can't really put an occasion to it. It's okay. It's nothing special though. Bergamot, by far the standout here. Bergamot is a steal if you can find it for $34.99 in the rack store. Really nice scent. I'm impressed by this. I'll be sure to wear this week. So in next week's weekly wears, I can let you guys know how it performed, projection, that type of stuff, and my kind of final thoughts on it. But right now, first impressions, very nice. If you see these two in the rack store, my pick is Bergamot, but you guys may like vetiver. It's just, I'm a huge fan of vetiver, so I guess I'm sort of picky with what types of vetivers that I enjoy the most, and this one doesn't really seem to want to pick an identity, and that one I'm not crazy about. So the citrus and bergamot, really nice. That's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what your last rack store pickup was. I know a lot of you guys are running into sort of empty shelves and there's just not a lot there at your rack store. So all I can say to that, make sure you're checking both men and women's sections and just keep trying, because eventually something will pop up that is worth your time and your money. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.